In today's video, I'm going to share with you a piece of e-commerce history right here. So it's going to be probably one of the most impressive examples of a one product store that I can think of. It's an OG brand. If you've been in the e-commerce space for a long time, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And if you haven't been, then today's going to be a treat because you're going to learn how someone was able to take a one product store, literally just one product that started off basically drop shipping, basically as a private label brand, and created a full entire business out of it that now does about 25 to 50 million. So the store I'm talking about is called BlendJet. And if you've never seen them before, then like I said, today's going to be a treat. What they sell is this portable blender. So it's a very popular product, right? This is actually something that a lot of people would consider a saturated product, but these people were one of the first to sell this. So they were one of the first to market this product. But surprisingly, every year I've been seeing them for years and years, and I think, oh man, this cannot go on for much longer, right? But somehow they just keep pushing it to the next level. It's so impressive. And as you see here, we can see from their traffic distribution that, they're really putting the pedal to the metal, as people say. 2.2 million visitors in December. That's an insane amount of traffic, especially, again, considering that they only sell this portable blender. But here's actually the first thing that we're going to talk about, and the first key to how they've actually been able to continuously grow, even as a one product brand. It's actually by also dropping some new products. So it is a one product store, but what they've done is they've turned it into a sort of print on demand product, which is actually so genius. This is the same thing that Davey Fogarty has done with the Oodie. He licenses out some really famous designs to put on the product. It's so genius, and it clearly is something that works super well. And now they're starting to get into protein smoothie blends. So they are expanding their product line. So sorry to be a bit clickbaity. This is pretty much no longer a one product store, but you guys know that this has been a one product store for a very long time. And just now, in order to take it to the next level, they're starting to launch more products, which is actually something that you should keep in mind as well. Sometimes if your products start dying down, you may think that the brand is over, but you could breathe new life. You could bring new life to the product and the brand as a whole by actually launching complementary products. Now, let's look at their social media a little bit, because this is the other key to their massive success. Is not just their genius product creation, but it's also the partnerships that they've done. So they had a huge partnership with Jen Selter, who is a big fitness influencer, and that's like exactly their target demographic, I'm guessing, right? So they found a perfect influencer market fit, and clearly it made the brand explode for a very long time. I mean, it's probably one of the reasons why they were able to sustain so much growth with just one simple product, is they just really got influencer partnerships really well. I'm sure they were even running paid ads through her page, through influencer whitelisting. That's something you can do on Meta. By the way, just as a little teaser right here, I did start the dropshipping challenge that I've been telling you guys about, and we did get our first sale. So first day, first sale, easy money. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see how that pans out. I haven't actually dropped the videos yet, but we're working on it. Now, they're also very big on YouTube. So as you see, they've had 20 million views on this ad. So they've ran a lot of YouTube ads. They got a really popping TikTok. They're posting very consistently. All the things that you would expect from a brand at this level. They even have a Pinterest that's doing quite well. So like I mentioned, Pipe Candy estimates their revenue at 25 to 50 mil from 2022 and 2023. Obviously, 2023 just started, but I believe it honestly. And judging from their traffic distribution, it's definitely realistic. Now, I'm excited to see how they continue to grow. Maybe in a couple of years, we'll be celebrating how BlendJet is now a $1 billion brand somehow. Who knows? Maybe they're gonna make some crazy big blenders or something. Maybe they'll get into big blenders. Either way, super impressive store. I just really wanted to share with you guys. This is kind of some e-commerce lore right here. This is a piece of history that we're watching. So with that said, that's about it. See you in the next video. Peace.